protect him at all costs because they want to kill him. That's why when you see even Queen Africa and all of them are saying if you beat him and if you support Chief Curry, make be the hunger person. When we see a fight, Constitution. For the India. Alright, enough people are going to know about the Seminole Indian them and he have more power than the Indian them. But we don't assert the power because we don't know. We don't know how you're going to use your power if you don't know. You have a man that try to break out of prison while the jail cell open and he never know. He just push up but not lock. But because he don't know, he might dig out wall and a climb to be a place and a, you understand? So we just don't know. So everybody need to start pay attention to Chief Curry. Because me see the two biggest things. Reach back in America and him give props and glory to the Maroon Chief. Chief Curry. And Vybz Kartel free up now. And the Maroon Chief, I get props. So that don't mean something. That have to mean something. That's why me I say, don't surprise if after a while, Kartel in America. Don't surprise if after a while, Vybz Kartel will be back in America. Or England or anywhere. You understand what I say? So we have to open our eye. Long live Chief Curry. And I am a gully person. A gully side, me say till death, me can't change. Because me born on the gully and put the gully on the map. And then my father put it on the globe. But me have to say this. Welcome home, Vybz Kartel. Big up on your freedom. Big up on the whole of your co-accused them. It was a long and hard fight. But obviously, at the end of the day, the fat lady sing. You understand what I say? And the fat lady sing, gonna walk free on the day road. Big up on yourself. Me, I try my best for the show anyway to keep. You understand? Me no want a VIP ticket, me no want nothing. Me just want there the show and be a part of greatness and see the numbers and the performance and everything. See? So, as a youth from over the other side, as a gully meeting, see? Kartel and me youth when me used to par with and same way, but where everybody know the story. Gully and Gaza go at it and a gully meeting them. But your freedom is there and God is in the midst. And from God say free, nobody can say stay at jail. So, big up yourself. You understand what I say? Yeah, big up the whole of Gaza nation. Celebrate non-stop. And